I apply to FAFSA every year because I'm the sole person who's paying for my education. I don't have any help, not from my parents, not from my family. When I'm outside of college, I go back and I work, and I make money that way. So then I at least have enough to pay for a certain amount of tuition while I'm here. Parsing out what it's like to be, a full-fledged college student and talking about my finances for the first time, it was really hard. But then, the people in, the financial department, the student finance, student aid department in polling, they kind of helped me, get my bearings. Being a freshman and being like, hey, I don't have the money right now. They said, you know, we can take out this amount of loans for you, and then we can figure out finances from there. I've had other alumni who have come through these doors at Monmouth College, who have seen my applications, who have seen what I've been doing on campus, and give me money to further my education here. Monmouth College kind of lifts that burden of being super clueless or in the dark about what's the right option to financially keep myself first, to financially survive, not only just as an adult, but also as a student. They'll do everything in their power to give you as much financial aid, give you as much financial advice, and give you opportunities on campus also to financially support yourself.